Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 71770 and the 71780 full contact rear alignment shims. These shims will change the rear camber or toe on a 2012 and up Fiat 500. Always follow proper safety precautions associated with all the equipment used in this video. Read the installation instructions thoroughly. You will need an inverted torque socket size E20 to complete this job. Take initial alignment readings and determine the amount of change needed. Then select the correct shims. Raise vehicle and remove tire and wheel assembly. Remove shock absorber to gain access to the hub bolts. Remove 4 bolts holding hub. Move hub and brake assembly as one unit away from the axle. Take care not to stress the ABS sensor wire or brake lines. It is not necessary to remove the ABS wire from the hub. Ensure hub and axle surfaces are clean and free of debris. Slot features should be oriented forward for access of the ABS wire. Toe shims are marked L for the left side of the car and R for the right side of the car. Camber shims are installed with orientation marking plus or minus at the top and visible. Install shim between hub and axle. A maximum of 2 shims may be installed on each side. With shims in place, reassemble. Torque hub bolts to manufacturer's specifications, working up to proper torque in a star pattern. Reinstall shock absorber and torque fasteners to manufacturer's specification. Reinstall tire and wheel assembly and verify alignment change. Road test the vehicle.